I'm a dog.
You're not a dog. Huh. Set the camera down.
That's not gonna see me.
I know, you're too short. You're so cute. Like a little puppy.
Shut up. Even Pat knows that about my eyes when I'm sick.
You're a puppy?
He's
oh,
like,
that's why you did
he told me I could... Did you set it?
Yeah, it's going. Sorry, I kind of figured. We're gonna look inside the refrigerator. Your head is blocking the refrigerator's view. Thank you. For your refrigerator. Where's a really big one that I can like fit inside?
Oh dear God.
Refrigerator, refrigerator. Where's the... Oh! Okay, hold.
She's very odd.
Oh, darn. It has stuff inside of it.
Yeah, it's a refrigerator.
Okay.
More refrigerators. She's on a mission.
On a mission. This is going on YouTube.
Can you trip? I'm gonna laugh at you.
They're cute. Oh, they're freezers. I'm so stupid. Oh, I wonder if I fit inside. I could fit inside that. I'll never get out. I don't feel like we're alone anymore. I feel like there's someone around here. Hold.
She's hearing things again. Oh, I smudged the cap. Smudge on it. See, look. I don't know if I did it, but
I think it's been like that. It kind of seems to go into focus. It unfocuses, and it's really annoying. Christmas. No.
yeah, it's a washer.
Sorry, I had to do that. I want to see what it looks like from inside of a washer.
Like a washer.
No,
The
but if
inside
you
of
were
a
like,
washer.
if you were
That's what it looks like inside of a washer.
Okay, smart ass.
I'm just kidding.
Doo doo.
I was just kidding.
Smart ass. Where shall we go?
Sounds so